Alright, sobrang init na. Thank you so much. Eto, alis na, lalabas na kami. Sobrang init na talaga, grabe. So eto na, last video for the day 3 palace. Okay. So ayan, so ito yung palabas na. So ayan na yung so ito yung main entrance nila sa loob. So ayan. So far alright. So next destinations naman. Alright. So after this we're going to lunch. Okay, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and share. My name is Lance Liam, and share your thoughts about this palace and the handbook costume of the Korean people. Diba? Napakaganda. Way back 17th century, ay yung mga kasuotan nila. Ayan. Alright. Thank you. Have a nice day.